Good morning, students. Today we are going to Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the division ma. So fill in the blank. The exercise 1.3. The first one is fill-ups. If Arulmoli saves rupees 12 per day, then she saves dash rupees in 30 days. So multiplication and division both are given in the exercise ma. So the savings for 1 day is equal to 12 rupees. The savings for 30 days equal to, we should multiplying these two numbers. The rupees 12 into 30 we get rupees 316. That is the answer. Then second one, if a person A earns rupees 1800 in 12 days. So in 12 days he earns 1800. Then he can does in a day. In a day means 1 day. So a person earns in 12 days equal to 1800. He earns in 1 day is equal to rupees 1800 divided by 12. So we get 1800 divided by 12. So take the two numbers 100 digits and 1000 digits. So 12 ones are 12. Subtract these two numbers, we get 6. So download the 0, 60. So 5 12s are 60. So 12 zeros are 0, 12 ones are 12. So first quotient is 12. Similarly 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. So the second one 12 fives are 60. Then download 0, 12 zeros are 0. We get 0. So he earns in 1 day is equal to rupees 150. So third one 45 divided by 7 plus 8 which is in bracket minus 2. So here we using the BODMAS rule, but in your book BIDMAS. So BIDMAS means B for bracket, I for integers. Integers means power of any number. D represent division, M represent multiplication, A represent addition, S represent subtraction. So in this order we are going to solve the given sums. Okay, mama. So in these sums we are having the bracket first. So find the value of the bracket first and then proceeding the division and subtraction, because using the BIDMAS rules. So first I simplifying the bracket. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Then after the bracket we should take the division. That's why I simplifying the 45 divided by 15. We get 3. Then finally we subtract these two numbers. 3 minus 2 we get 1. So the answer is 1. The 45 divided 7 plus 8 minus 2, that the answer is 1. Okay, here also we must using, in old book we are using BODMAS, but in your book it becomes BIDMAS. So the here is not in bracket, so I should comparing the I. So integers are not also not in the sums, so we must, sorry, if you comparing the division is not comparing the next number, then we should take the multiplication. So 9 8s are 72. So in this sum we must simplifying them multiplication first and then add. So 3 plus 72, that is equal to 75, but they are given 96. Is it correct? Wrong, ma. That's why the statement is false. The correct answer is 75. Similarly, we check out the second sums, multiplication first and then subtraction, because using the BIDMAS rules. In this order, which are giving the given sums. In this order, which are given the sums ma. So in the order use பண்ணி இந்த sums work out பண்றோம். So here not in bracket கிடையாது, integers கிடையாது, division கிடையாது, multiplication இருக்கு. So So 7 into 20, 140. Addition not given in this case. So we should take subtractions. So 140 minus 4 is equal to 136. So right hand side also given 136. Both are equal. So given statement is true. The third one, 40 plus 56 minus 60 divided by 2, that is equal to 45. So 40 plus 56 minus 6, 50. Dividing these two number, we get 25. 40 plus 25, that is equal to 45. 40 plus 25, 65. But they are given on right hand side is equal to 45. This is the wrong answer. So the statement is false. The correct answer is 65. Okay, wow. The number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months were 1200, 2000, 2450, 3500, 3060 and 3200 respectively. How many people visited the library in the last 5 months? In a library, number of people visited first 5 months respectively. So the first 5 months, the first month 1200, the second month 2000, the third month 2450, the fourth month 3060, the fifth month 3200. They asked the total people visited in the last 5 months. So we must total means add. So we must add these two 5 month visited people. So we get 11,910. That is the answer, ma. Answer is 11,910. I am not writing the question here, ma. Fourth question I am not writing the note, ma. See the book, ma. Look here. The Charan had a bank savings rupees 11,50,250, 7,50,250. He withdraw 5,34,500 for educational purpose. Find the balance amount in his account. Okay, mama. சேரன் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, தன்னுடைய சேவிங்ஸில் வந்து 7,50,250 ருபீஸ்க்கு வச்சுருக்காரு. அவர் வந்து தன்னுடைய எஜுகேஷனல் பர்பஸ்க்காக 5,34,500 வித்ட்ரால் பண்ணுறாரு. ஃபைண்ட் த பேலன்ஸ் அமௌண்ட் இன் ஹிஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்டுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த ஃபோர்த்து கொஷின் வந்து மிஸ் வந்து கொஷின் எழுதலை. இங்கே கொஷின் நீங்கள் வந்து எழுதணும். வி ஷுட் ரைட் த கொஷின்ஸ்மா. ஸோ த டோட்டல் சேவிங்ஸ் வந்து 7,56,250. அவரோட எஜுகேஷனல் பர்பஸ்க்காக அவர் வித்ட்ரால் பண்ணது 5,34,500. சப்ராக்டிங் டு தீஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் வி கெட் பேலன்ஸ் அமௌண்ட் வந்து 2,15,750. So that is the answer. How can you find subtracting these two numbers? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 from 5 we get 5. 5 from 2 it is not subtracted. So we must asking borrow from near number. So 6 0. Okay, ma. 0 gives not given. So we must ask to 5. So 5 gives 1. So it becomes 10. 5 reduces into 4. So 10 give 1 number. So 2 becomes 12. 10 becomes 9. 5 subtracted from 12 we get 7. 4 subtracted from 9 we get 5. 3 subtracted from 4 we get 1. 5 subtracted from 7 we get 2 more. So the balance amount in account is in his account equal to 2,15,750. Okay, ma. Then fifth question also I am not writing. So see, look here. In a cycle factory, 1,560 bicycles were manufactured every day. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. So the 1 day productions are given. We must find the 25 days. 1 day productions are given. We must find 25 days. How can you find? We must multiplying the numbers, ma. So in a cycle factory, number of bicycle manufactured in 1 day is equal to 1,560. Number of bicycle manufactured in 25 days equal to 1,560. Listen, ma'am. In a cycle factory, number of cycle manufactured in 1 day is equal to 1,560. Number of bicycle manufactured in 25 days equal to, we must multiply by 25. So 1,560 multiplied by 25. So the ones digit multiplying the 1560 we get 7800. That is tens digit multiplying the 1560 we get 3120. Adding these two numbers we had 39,000. So in 25 days we get the number of cycle manufactured 39,000 ma. To one ma, rupees 62,500 was equally distributed as a new year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How much did each received? அதாவது ஒரு கம்பெனியில் இருக்க 25 எம்ப்ளாயிஸ்க்கு போனஸ் அமௌண்ட் எவ்வளோன்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா 62,500. அப்போ ஒரு எம்ப்ளாய்க்கு எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க அப்படின்னா we must dividing these two numbers. So 62,500 divided by 25. How many times? So here 6 is not divisible by 25. So we take the first two 62. So 2 25s are 50. So you must take 2 as a quotient. 25 2s are 50. Subtracting this number we get 125. Again multiplying these two numbers we get 5 25s are 125. Subtracting this number we get 0 2 zeros. So 25 zeros are 0. Again simplify 25 zeros are 0. So the bonus for one employee is equal to rupees 2,500. Okay ma, கொஞ்சம் clarity. Simplifying the following numerical expression. Here in this case we must using the BIDMAS, not BODMAS. In old book also using BODMAS, in your book BIDMAS. So using these rules we must find the bracket first. 10 plus 17 21. After the bracket we must do the division. 21 3s are 9. So the answer is 9. In this case we have 3 brackets. The first one is 5 minus 1. So we must simplifying this inner bracket. So 5 minus 1 4. Then simplify the curly bracket. 6 minus 4 2. Then simplify the square bracket. 3 minus 2 1. Then subtracting the 12. Subtracting from 12 we get 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. That is the answer. Coming to the next one, 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus curly bracket 3 into 2 which is in bracket minus 6 divided by 2. So we must simplify the bracket first using the BIDMAS rules. BODMAS or BIDMAS. So 3 2s are 6 and then in right hand side 6 divided by 2 we get 3. Simplifying 6 minus 3 we get 3. Then simplifying this 8 divided by 2 4. Now adding these two numbers we get 107. That is the answer ma. So 8th one, objective type question. The value of 3 plus 5 minus 7 into 1 is dash. So they are given 4 options. First option 5, B, second option 7, third option 8, fourth option 1. Using BIDMAS rules, here bracket is not given. So bracket no. Indices also not given. Division also not given. Multiplication are given. So we must simplifying the multiplication, proceeding addition and subtraction. So 7 ones are 7 and then adding this two number 8 and subtracting 7 from 8 we get 1. So answer is 1 mark. The value of 24 divided by 8 minus 3 into 2. So using BIDMAS rule, the first simplifying the bracket first. 3 2s are 6. So common bracket we can simplify it and then curly bracket 8 minus 6 2 and then dividing 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. So using the BIDMAS rules. Okay. So answer is 12. The options are given. First option is equal to 0. Second option is equal to 12. The option C is equal to 3. Option D is equal to 4. So I choose the option B 12. So here they give the 4 options plus 4 operation plus minus into divide which is suitable to give the answer 10. So I first using plus I get the answer 6. It is not equal to on right hand side. So the first option is wrong. And then I use subtractions. Simplifying these numbers I get minus 6 but they are given plus 10. So this is also not equal to. So I am not taking this option. It is not true. So third option I take into. Using into I get 10. Left hand side also 10. Right hand also 10. So that's why I choose them into. Option C. So I verify them using division and I get minus 5 by 3. Right hand side is 10. It's also not equal to of our right hand side. So this is also wrong. So the correct answer is option C. That's why I put the symbol of multiplication in this place. When you put multiplication in this place, we get the right side answer 10. That's why I choose option C, multiplication.